Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start inside the Google Maps app, so open it now and make sure you're signed in. Once done, give the app permission to access your location. This lets the map center precisely on you. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or have cellular data because satellite imagery streams tiles. Now tap the map to reveal controls. This first move exposes the layers button. You're ready for the next step, which turns the standard map into satellite view. Tap the layers icon in the upper right and select satellite to switch imagery immediately. If you want names overlaid, choose satellite with labels. Otherwise, use pure satellite to focus on imagery. Pinch to zoom for higher resolution tiles and drag with one finger to reposition. Make sure to rotate or tilt the view with 2 fingers if you want angled perspectives. That reveals building shapes. Remember, imagery may refresh as you move. Wait a moment for tiles to load rather than panning too fast. To finish, reorient using the compass and double-tap rotate for a true overhead look. This helps with measurements and visual clarity. If satellite tiles appear blank or pixelated, close the app and reopen or force close and relaunch. That often clears transient cache issues. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular to test connection and confirm Maps has location permission. One key troubleshooting tip. Reinstalling the app refreshes corrupted resources, but do that only after trying a restart and network switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.